Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to show you how you could create a QR code for your website, for your business, for anywhere you want to take somebody on the internet. And I'm going to do this with Canva. Now Canva has free and paid accounts, so in order to do this with Canva, you need to have a Canva account. So I'm at this location, canva.com/QR-code-generator. And if you ever forget that URL, you could just type in Canva QR code generator, and it will take you right to the correct spot. Okay, so I can close that. I showed you how to do it with Google. So here's how you get started. I'm logged into my Canva account, so you'll want to be logged in. And I'm going to click on Generate QR Code. And now it's going to ask, do I want to use it in an existing design? Maybe you have an existing design. Or do you want to use it in a new design? And in this instance, I want to show you how you would create one, just a standalone QR code that you could put on your website. But you can then add these to existing designs. So I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to click Use a New Design, and it says, what would you like to create? So I'll click a custom size, and I think that 400 by 400 is probably a good size. So that's going to be the size of the QR code, and I'm going to click Create New Design. Alright, so now I'm in the Canva, still in the QR code area. This is a square shape, and see if I go down here, let's get it to 100%. That's approximately 100%. So I'm going to enter the URL. So go to your website and decide what page do you want to send people to when they use the QR code. So I'll have it go to my tips, my productivity tips, and I'm going to make a QR code so people can go here to the productivity tips. So I'm copying the URL, and then over here I'm going to paste this in, and it'll click Generate Code. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this large so it fills the screen. Now I might not need to do this, but I just want to have it be this size, and I'm going to call this QR Code Tips Webinar, so that I remember what this QR code is for. And now I'm just going to download this, click download, and it has saved it on my desktop. And depending upon what browser you're using, it'll show the downloads differently. So I'm going to click to my folder, and it has put it in my downloads folder. I made a folder called Canva. Now I can see this is on my computer, and what I would do is upload it to my website. And now with this as a graphic on my computer, I can place it anywhere I want, either on a website or on a flyer or any printed material. So that's it. That's how you use Canva's free and easy code generator to create a QR code that stands alone by itself, not part of a design. And you can do that in Canva, but I wanted to keep this simple. And how you can generate this graphic, download it to your computer, and use it anywhere you want. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.